Tired of your data existing in a vacuum? Let's add some real-world context. This is DatumFuseAI Data Augmentation Assistant. It intelligently analyzes your data and suggests ways to enrich it with external information. Our growing library of contextual datasets includes geolocation enrichment, national holidays of 180-plus countries, Fred economic indicators, and many more in pipeline. Here's a simple CSV with 2010 population data for California, but it only contains zip codes as location indicator. We need more geographical detail for our analysis. We'll select our population by zip code CSV file and click Upload and Analyze for augmentation. Instantly, the AI gets to work analyzing the columns and data. And here's our suggestion. The AI detected the zip column and suggests adding city, state, and county. It's a high-quality suggestion because it knows these columns are missing and relevant. Let's apply this augmentation with a single click. The success screen shows our new enriched dataset is ready. We now have several options. Let's download the augmented file to see the results. As you can see, next to our original zip and population columns, we now have new, fully populated columns for city, state underscore name, state underscore and county underscore name. A task that would have taken ages to do with VLOOKUPs is done in seconds. Back in Datum Fuse, we can now proceed to visualize this rich new dataset. Or start a new project by clicking Start Over. DatumFuseAI. Turn your data into a strategic asset. Try it today.